did it while we were at Palmer Tech.
The drone has evolved and adapted since then. The dead things are like the board. The bad guys in Star Trek, which I wish Felicity was here.
Which is not, Curtis. You are. They have to be able to do something, okay? When these things hit critical masses.
Maybe like John Hurt in Alien. Sorry, when I get nervous, I make pop culture references.
Okay, you can't hack it. How can you lure it out? Like some kind of, I can't believe I'm saying this, but some kind of digital honey or
Not
something?
exactly, but if these are really modeled after beasts, then they'll operate on a singular frequency to orientate themselves. If we can disrupt it, then we can disperse the colony. But the only problem is that we need to generate a high enough frequency to damage the network. But unless you guys have a portable sonic projector handy, then... What? This technology is amazing. It reads your own vocal emissions and then reprocesses it via digital output into a multi-channel.
Yeah, we get it. It's badass, but how is this gonna help us save Oliver?
Just give them the full Mariah Carey, and it should disrupt whatever connection that these operate on.
All right, man. You sure about this? Time to be sure. Curtis, do it.
3, 2, 1. That was